Hello and welcome to another weekly market update after the market closed on 26th of April 2019. Here's where we look at the big picture and the short-term picture of the stock market. It affects everything, not just stocks. We'll start off with the S&P 500, which is like the kind of benchmark index for the world. And here's a long-term chart. Here you see the bottom here, the years going along the top, along the bottom there. And each up and down peg is a week of action, and that's smoothed out for us by this kind of rolling, moving average here by the blue line, which at any given point shows what happened an average over the last 40 weeks. So we said there was a brand new bull market here using our proprietary system, and there was the entry point, and there's the exit point. And we had this big dip, looked over the cliff just around Christmas time, and didn't like the look of what it saw, turned right back, and has been bouncing ever since in this long rally I've been commentating on since then, which has defied all the bears which thought the whole thing was broken. We don't actually know yet. Our system said to go to cash here, and has been keeping us in cash ever since, although the signs, as I've been saying for weeks now, increasingly looking like we're going to get a brand new bull market signal. And we're probably only just a couple of months away now with this system that says, bad game on again, which is making lots of people who look at the fundamentals of everything and the economy and so on, and world economy and stuff like that, and growth, etc. And it's making them scratch their heads. But the stock market is, it can be wrong for a great deal longer than everyone can be right. And we don't get in the way of a moving train. Big thing last week was we had a brand new high. Looks like, we had a brand new high, and that's nothing more bullish than that. You just cannot argue with that. I've been saying this is an uptrend now for weeks, and there is another week of uptrend. No reason to think this is a phony rally or anything. From looking at the long-term side of things. Let's check in on the short-term here as we zoom in for over the last 6 months. And this market is overbought, but it keeps being overbought and staying overbought. I won't be surprised if there was a mild pullback this week. It's definitely running hot, even for this market, and that would be a healthy thing to do. But I don't, foresee anything drastic at this time to say anything other than that. Let's check in with other things. The Bitcoin is coming back to life, as I've been saying, and we're liking the look of Ethereum here. If I had a choice of the basket of currencies, there's the boom and bust of Bitcoin it's been commentating on. So, but what a lot of people are not seeing is this. Just change this here. Is the this sort of stealthy pullback here. It's getting back above the 40 moving average, and the 40 moving average is still pointing down, which is why I'm looking at other things. But the overall Bitcoin, cryptocurrency complex, is definitely, looking up. It does need to, Bitcoin itself needs to kind of stay back above this 40 week, and the 40 week to be turning up. It's working on it, but not a green light just yet with that one. And that's all for this week. So still waiting for the market to present some opportunities, both for the big short term and the longer term. But all looking good otherwise, and we watch and wait. I will speak to you next time.